What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay you guys, we are right here where we left off. And I have to say something about these just one more time. You guys, if you haven't gotten one of these, you have to. Now, one of them is orange and one is green. The quality is really nice and cute. It's not like a cheap piece of crap. Like seriously, you guys, this is so cute and aesthetic. This little top slides down and then the pieces come in little packages and it is so worth it, you guys. These are so cute. I've been having a lot of fun with my kids playing Connect 4. If you guys know that you want a particular color, make sure you check the box because they are offered in 2 different colors. But we have the floating shelves here, the sort of Ray Dunn copycat little like decorative squares. I don't know what you guys want to call these. Yes, you can. Ooh la la. I think there's one other. My other store had one more variety. Ooh, and these are new this week. The iridescent candle holders, super pretty. Dollar Tree also has out some brand new fall picks and fall flower clips that are very pretty. Ooh, look at these. These are new. They have sort of a gritty texture. It looks like we have 4 different colors this week. Wow. These are kind of pretty. I kind of like it. It's kind of giving me like ocean beach vibes. Yeah, I like these. And then the little wax melt burners. These came out about 3 weeks ago. I've been loving my wax melt burner. This one, I bought 2 of these. It actually fits 2 tea light candles and it has a larger surface area. So it's been working out really well for me and what I do over on TikTok. I have to remember to get some 9-volt batteries. Last week when I was out, my store was totally out of them. I have 2 of my 5 smoke detectors down right now. I do not like a chirping smoke detector, so I'm going to be buying some batteries. Hopefully I can find them. We also have this in a gray, if you guys like the gray. The healthy and safe sanitizing wands are still here. These are the ones that are selling for $19.97 in Walmart. I think these socks are new. The hanging shirts, we have some Gildan t-shirts. White, green, khaki, and navy. American Apparel and Gildan is what we have this week. Ooh, these are so pretty. I love this color. We also have the navy. The little twist off storage bins. We also have these. And these, they can be used for cereal or pasta. My location actually has lots of storage options this week. I really like these little squishy circle bins. The little laundry bags, 3 to a pack. And then these are single ones with the drawstring. Oh, you guys, these are so cute. Look at the little ones up there. I love that color. No problem. These ones are so cute. Look, that's such a pretty green. They feel a little flimsy though, to be honest. We have gray, blue, and white, 2 to a pack. Now these ones are brand new. If I can get them out. Those are new this week. Also in the green. Those kind of look like Sterilite, but they're not. We have the frosted, we have gray, we have blue. We do have some stackable Sterilite ones up here, the little cubes. This is the step 3 maintenance wash, you guys. It goes for like $27 at Home Depot. It's still here. Training pads for puppies. These are brand new. These are like a rubber or like a plastic all-weather collars. They're calling them all-weather waterproof collars, and the brand is Petwear. And I know these go for a lot more than $1. My store just has pink and orange, but the quality feels really nice. Ooh, these are so soft. These are little duster pads. These are the replacements that go on these little mop heads. I think these are new this week. The Sprinkle Hearts Gourmet Pet Treat Bakery, 4 ounces to a bag. We have a lot of pet things here. Sausages, lots of name brand treats, little dustpans on a stick, so you don't have to bend down quite as far to hold it. You can just hold the little stick. I don't know if we have any new cleaners. These are probably the most recent things. And then there's a pink one. This one might be new though. The LA's Totally Awesome Meadow Fresh, good for wood, laminate, stainless, marble, granite, plastic, porcelain, glass, and more. I think that might be new this week. Maybe. And then the Lime Away is still here. You guys know these go for like $4 at Walmart. So it's nice to get it here and pay $1. Bounce. 15 sheets, Outdoor Fresh. The packaging looks a little different than I remember though. Those might be new this week. Maybe. Let's see if we have any new baby items. My one location had a lot of new baby items. Oh, look you guys. We have $1 onesies. Those are definitely brand new. $1 onesies. The brand is Briscoe Baby. We also have gray. So this one has snaps like this, and this one has snaps like this. Those are definitely brand new for the week. Let me know if your store has any other colors or any other varieties. This is my first time ever seeing onesies in Dollar Tree. But hey, you guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna start another one on the next aisle, which is actually this aisle. We're gonna look at socks and hygiene items and care items. These feel really nice, by the way. Jump ball. These are nice. Yeah, 2 to a pack. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me in here. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.